from LP Savani Riverside School, Krupali home. Let's start with the introduction. We use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, turmeric, common salt, sugar, and vinegar. You all are aware of these all substances because it is a component of your daily life. Do they have the same taste? Is lemon is in the same taste like salt or sugar? Is sugar is of same taste like salt? No, they all have different quality on the basis of appearance also and the taste also. Let us recall taste of some edible substances. Edible means which is allowed to eat. It means which is favorable for it, which is not toxic for it. It is called edible. Listed in the table number 5.1. If you have not tested any of this substance, taste it now and enter the result in the table because all substance given in the table are easily available in the daily life. Do not test anything unless asked to do so, and don't touch anything unless asked to do so. First, lemon juice. If you don't taste lemon juice yet, then taste it today. Orange juice, vinegar, curd, turmeric means imli. It's tamarind. Sugar, common salt, amla, baking soda. Grapes, unripe mango means kachi mango. Cucumber. You have to taste all these substances and note down all the separate taste as per the your decision. It means suppose in the lemon juice you can say that it's sour, orange juice is also sour, vinegar is also sour, curd is also sugar is a sweet in the taste. Like this you have to fill this table and you have to judge that which substance is having which kind of the taste. Now today we are going to learn about acids and bases. You find that some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty. Yes, you all are aware of this. Let's start with our today's topic 5.1 acid and bases. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar. This is our taste sour. While the substance tastes sour because they contain acids. It means we can judge that curd is sour, lemon is also sour in the taste, orange juice and vinegar both are sour in the taste. There is one particular substance in all these components. Because of that component, these all are sour in the taste, and that component is known as the acid. It means all sour substances having acid as its component. That's why they are sour in the taste. So we can say that sour substance have acids. The chemical nature of such substance is acidic. It means you can say acidic to those substances who have acids as its component. The word acid comes from Latin word acid, in which means sour. It means acid means the sour in the Latin language. The acid in these substances are natural acids. It means whatever the acid you will find in these four substances will be natural acid, and you can form the acid man-made, handmade also in the chemical laboratory. What about baking soda? When you taste the baking soda, because it's given in the first table of this chapter, you may find that it is bitter in the taste. Does it also taste sour? No. If not, what is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means that it is no acids in it. We told here that acid contained substance will be sour in the taste, but baking soda is not the sour in the taste. That's why we can conclude that baking soda is not acidic. But what is baking soda? Let's see. It is bitter in the taste. If you rub its solution between fingers, it feels soppy. It means it have two kind of qualities. First one is bitter in the taste and soppy on the rubbing between finger. Generally, substance like this which are bitter in the taste and feel soppy on touching are known as the bases. So up to this paragraph we come to two quality of acids and bases, which are sour in the taste are called acid, and these substances are called acidic, while which are bitter in the taste and feel soppy by touching, it is known as the bases. The nature of such substance is said to be bases. If we cannot test every substance, how do we find its nature? It is necessary to test all the substance to check either it is basic or acidic. No, it's not preferable way, because some substances are toxic in the nature which may hurt the human body. That's why we have to find out the another way to judge that either given substance is acidic or basic. Special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. Without testing, if we want to know that given substance is having which property, acidic or basic, then we have also one solution. With the help of special type of substance, we can judge that given substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. Indicators means the substance with the help of we can judge that given unknown substance is acidic or basic. It is called indicator. It means with the help of indicator we can conclude our decision. The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or a basic substance. It means suppose you have given the one unknown sample and you don't know it is acidic or basic, then without test how will you find the property? With the help of indicator. Indicator is the one of the solution. And what is this indicator? Turmeric, litmus, china rose petals, etc. These all are the examples of the indicators. Are some of the naturally occurring indicator. It means these are given as an example of indicator and as a natural example of the indicator. These four are the natural indicators. Means it is available naturally in the atmosphere. We will see in the next session the left content.